The second requirement says if the tax rate is changed to 35% in 2020, what will the journal entry becomes? So this table, starting from 2020, the rate becomes 35%. 35% for 2021 as well. However, in requirement 2, there is another question. When scheduling the reversal of depreciation difference, you are uncertain as to how to deal with the fact that the difference will continue to originate in 2019 before reversing the next 2 years. So the problem is, this is our current year. We have a negative 30 of depreciation adjustment, but the next year we still have a negative amount. We don't see a reverse of 30 until 2020. How do we treat the deferred tax liability? How do we calculate the deferred tax liability? PricewaterhouseCoopers says only the reversals of the temporary difference at balance sheet date would be scheduled. So this sentence says only reversal of the temporary difference in the balance sheet date should be considered as deferred taxes. Future originations are not considered in determining reversal pattern of the temporary difference for depreciable assets. Future origination means this one, the same sign as your current originating difference, is not considered. And here we have more explanation about what PwC Compareo database mean. You interpret that when future taxable amounts are being scheduled and a portion of temporary difference has yet to originate, only the reversals of temporary difference at the balance sheet date can be scheduled and multiplied by tax rate that will be in effect when the difference reverses. So we still consider only $30 million as future taxable amount. But which tax rate should we apply to? Apply to this $30 million, starting from the year when the reversal starts. Okay, so here it says in effect when the difference reverses. So 30 million multiplied by 35% to calculate deferred tax liability from depreciation. Okay, with that, let's recalculate. Income tax payable in 2018 is still the same, okay, but my future taxable amount, this 30 million, should be multiplied by, let's recalculate deferred tax as a liability. 30 million, meaning the amount, the difference in the balance sheet date, multiplied by the year when the reversal starts, so 35%, plus this 9 million is 2019, multiplied by 40%. And then future deductible amounts, the 6 applies to 35%. Okay, so the tax rate should be changed to 35%. Our deferred tax liability balances will be 14.1, and then the deferred tax assets should be 2.1. Therefore, income tax payable, same. Deferred tax liability, same. Deferred tax assets becomes 2.1. And income tax expense, to balance the entry, this time we will use $15.2 million.